Hello dear students, today's our next topic is structure of chromosome. Okay, friends, you know very well that the chromosomes are best visible, visible at metaphase stage of cell division. Metaphase stage of cell division. At this stage, the chromosomes are highly condensed. Chromosomes are highly condensed, and the typical chromosome consists. The typical chromosome consists two arms each called chromatids, is called as chromatids. So the arm of chromosome are called as chromatid. The arm of chromosome is called as chromatids. The chromatids are connect at centromeres. The two chromatids of chromosome chromosome are joined togetherly at centromere, or it is also called as primary constriction. Okay, so this part is called as centromere, or it is also called as primary constriction. Okay, primary constriction. So at primary constriction, the disc shape plate are present, called kinetochore. Okay, disc shape plate are present called as kinetochore, and this kinetochore core, the spindle fibers are attached. During cell division. Okay, at kinetochore, the spindle fibers are attached during cell division. Besides the primary constriction, one or two centromeres are present. One or two more centromeres are present. They are called as secondary constrictions. Okay, it is a secondary constriction first. Secondary constriction first, and secondary constriction second. Okay, beside the primary constriction, one or two more constriction are present. In chromosome are called as secondary constrictions. And these secondary constrictions are organized with nucleolus. So this structure are called as nucleolus. And when the nucleolus are organized with secondary constriction first, the structure are formed that is called as nucleolar organizer. This structure are called as nucleolar organizer. Beyond the nucleolar organizer, the spherical body are attached, that is called as satellite. Beyond the nucleolar organizer, beyond beyond the nucleolar organizer, the spherical body attached is called satellite or sat body, is called as satellite or sat body. Okay, and the tip of chromosome are called as telomere. The tip of chromosome are called as the tip or end of chromosome is called telomere, is called as telomere. And on chromatids the turns of means the unbranched, spirally coiled, the threads of DNA are present on chromatids. The unbranched, spirally coiled, okay, the threads of DNA are present are called as chromonymata, is called as chromonymata. Okay, so this is the information about that, the structure of chromosome. Okay, so I again repeat the all points. First, the chromosomes are visible at the metaphase of cell division. The chromosomes are highly condensed at this stage. The typical chromosome consists two arms, is called as chromatids. The two chromatids of chromosome are joined togetherly at centromere, or this centromere are called as primary constriction. Okay, so beside the primary constrictions, at primary constriction, the disc-shaped plates are present. Disc-shaped plate are present are called as kinetochore. Okay, at kinetochore, the spindle fibers are attached during cell division. Okay, and beside the primary constrictions, one or more constrictions are present in the body of chromosome are called as secondary constrictions, and these secondary constrictions are organized with nucleolus. Nucleolus are called as nucleolar organizer, are called as nucleolar organizer. Okay, and beyond the nucleolar organizer, okay, this spherical body are attached is called as satellite or sat body, and this chromosome is called as sat chromosome. But these satellite are attached to the chromosomes in very few number or in few chromosomes. Okay, and the end of chromosome or the tip of chromosome is called as telomere. Okay, and on the surface of chromatids, the thread-like, highly coiled, unbranched structure are present. Unbranched structure, that is DNA. Actually, it is DNA. The structure are present, that is called as chromonymata. Okay, so this is the information about that, the structure of chromosome. मग जर तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये जर विचारलं फॉर 4 मार्क्स डिस्क्राइब द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्रोमोझोम, 2 मार्क्स फॉर डायग्राम अँड 2 मार्क्स फॉर एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके, 2 मार्क एक्सप्लेनेशन असतील आणि 2 मार्क डायग्राम असतील. आणि मग आता या ठिकाणी ते क्रोमोझोमच्या डायग्राम मध्ये कोणते कोणते लेबल गरजेचं आहे, तर टिलोमियर, क्रोमोनिमॅटा, सेकंडरी कन्स्ट्रक्शन सेकंड, नंतर क्रोमॅटिड्स, नंतर सेंट्रोमियर ज्याला आपण प्रायमरी कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणतो, नंतर सेकंडरी कन्स्ट्रक्शन फर्स्ट, नंतर न्यूक्लियोलर ऑर्गनायझर अँड द स्फेरिकल बॉडी दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज सॅटेलाइट. Okay, so this is the information about the structure of chromosome. Our next topic is types of chromosome on the basis of position of centromere in the chromosome. क्रोमोझोमच्या बॉडीमध्ये सेंट्रोमियरची पोझिशन कुठे असते त्यावरून क्रोमोझोमचे 4 टाइप्स आहेत. एकदम सिंपल टॉपिक आहे. मग 4 टाइप्स कोणते कोणते आहेत? पहिला टाइप आहे दॅट इज मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोझोम. मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोझोम, ओके, किंवा मेटासेंट्रिक. सेकंड इज सब मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोझोम. नेक्स्ट acrocentric chromosome, and last one is telocentric chromosome. क्रोमोझोम. ओके, टिलोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोझोम. सो मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोझोम म्हणजे काय असणार त्या ठिकाणी ते, तर सिंपली काय, द सेंट्रोमियर आर प्रेझेंट ॲट द सेंटर ऑफ, द सेंट्रोमियर आर प्रेझेंट ॲट द सेंटर ऑफ, सेंट्रोमियर आर प्रेझेंट ॲट द सेंटर ऑफ chromosome. Centromere are present at the center of chromosome. Okay, here the centromere and the arm of chromosome, and both arms are having equal length or equal size in metacentric chromosome. Okay, but about that submetacentric chromosome, the centromere present some distance away from the middle or center, central, means centromere are present some distance away from the center. For example, here it is the center, but this some distance means here the centromere present. Okay, so one and another. Here the one arm is short and another arm is long. Okay, next is acrocentric chromosome. Acrocentric chromosome means, yes, the centromere are present near the end of your tip of chromosome. For example, here the centromere and near the end or tip of chromosome. Okay, and last is telocentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosome means the centromere are present at the tip or end of chromosome. Centromere मात्र कुठे असणार तर त्या ठिकाणी ते at the end, means here only one arm is present, and here the centromere. Okay, centromere. So first of all we are discuss about that metacentric chromosome. The definition of metacentric chromosome: the centromere are present at the center of chromosome or at the middle of chromosome is called as metacentric chromosome. Metacentric chromosome are having two equal arms. Okay, and it appears, this metacentric chromosome appears at V shape. Metacentric chromosome कसा appear होतो त्या ठिकाणी ते तर सिंपली लिहायचं, it is appear V shape at anaphase. Okay, and this is the diagram of metacentric chromosome. So first, the centromere are present at the middle of chromosome is called as metacentric chromosome. In metacentric chromosome, two equal arms are present. Okay, and it appear V shape at anaphase. Second is submetacentric chromosome. Submetacentric chromosome means the chromosome in which the centromere present some distance away from the center. Okay, and in this chromosome one arm is long and another is short, and it is appear this chromosome appear, yes, L shape. This chromosome appear L shape. Me simply write it is appear L shape at same phase. Which phase? Anaphase. It appear L shape at anaphase. Okay. Next is acrocentric. Acrocentric means the chromosome in which centromere present near the end of chromosome. The chromosome in which centromere present near the end of chromosome. Okay. So in this chromosome, one arm is very short. One arm is very short, and another is very long. Okay, and it appears it appears J shape. It appears J shape in anaphase. Okay, this chromosome appear J shape. Okay, and last one is telocentric chromosome. Telocentric chromosome means the chromosome in which centromere are present at the tip of chromosome. It has only one long arm. Okay, it has only one long arm. Okay, and it appears small I shape in anaphase. anaphase मध्ये हा मात्र कसा दिसतो तर स्मॉल आय शेप. ओके, फॉर मित्रांनो, जर तुम्हाला 4 मार्काला जर क्वेश्चन विचारला गेला की एक्सप्लेन द टाइप्स ऑफ क्रोमोझोम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोझिशन ऑफ सेंट्रोमेअर इन क्रोमोझोम. क्रोमोझोम मध्ये सेंट्रोमेअरच्या पोझिशननुसार क्रोमोझोमचे किती टाइप्स असतात तर 4. पहिला असेल मेटासेंट्रिक, नंतर सब मेटासेंट्रिक, नंतर ॲक्रोसेंट्रिक अँड लास्ट वन इज टिलोसेंट्रिक. आणि प्रत्येकाला किती मार्क्स असतील तर 1. असं 4 टाइप्स दिले की तुम्हाला किती मार्क्स मिळणार तर 4. Okay, so this is the total information about that, the types of chromosome on the basis of position of centromere. So in next lecture we are discuss about that, the sex chromosome or allosome. Thank you.